Ahmad Raza Khan is a kafir. He says Isa alayhi salam and Idris in the skies and Ilyas and Khizr alayhi salam in the earth. Ahmad Raza Khan has become a kafir by shahid. Allah ki qasam, he is a kafir. He needs kufr fatwa upon him. Why? It's because he said he exists. They are alive. They exist.
You mentioned about 4 prophets being alive and still being alive. The issue is not about prophets who were given prophecy before Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Prophet Ilyas alayhi salatu wasalam, Prophet Idris alayhi salatu wasalam, Prophet Khidr alayhi salatu wasalam, and as Prophet Isa alayhi salatu wasalam. That's not the issue. They were given prophecy before Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Our issue is with what Qasim nanotvi said, that if a Nabi is born, a Nabi comes in the era of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and after him sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and then he says that this will not affect finality. That's the issue that we've got. We are saying it does affect finality, because if a prophet comes after Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam, then how can the prophet remain last? You could even ask, a child, right? That, if a prophet comes today, a new prophet, is the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam still the last one? Obviously no. He's talking about, being clever and being, not intelligent. But even the least intelligent person, bacha, can even understand that if another prophet is born today or after, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, 100% it affects his finality. And this belief which he is defending desperately is the same belief of the Qadianis. Because that's what the Qadianis say. You ask a Qadiani, I will repeat again. Yes? That when you ask a Qadiani, is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam Khatamun Nabiyyin? They say, yes, he is. Okay? And then at the same time, double speak, they say, Qadiani, Mirza is also a prophet.